This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Christy Imperio. Grab the buckets and shovels because you will be ready to head to the beach for lots of fun and memories. This amazing Birch Bay getaway has it all: beautifully restored home on Terrill Creek. Launch your kayaks right out the back. This home is completely beach renovated to have all the luxury of home with a beach theme. This home comes furnished, can be year-round for summer vacation living. Great living area upstairs complete with gas fireplace. Lots of parking for you and your guests. For more information, review the details below.